leave me alone. I guess it's drunk, because he drive left and right when I go to the left because I'm trying to pass him because the speed limit here is 60. And then I'm going to, of course, I'm giving up my speed. The guy is going into the left side, and then he take his brake in there, and then when I go back to the right, he's going to the right side. Doesn't want to pass me, and then he's driving left and right. This gonna be a problem. So I'm now here in Cascade, Lux, Oregon scale. I park here for at least east. Because I'm heading east. I'm heading. Kasi kapag kaganyan, wala nang magandang mangyayari sa atin yan. Mag-park muna ako rito ng mga kahit 5 minutes para malayuan ko yun. At kung antayin pa ako dyan, kung dira talaga hindi na maganda yun. Tignan tayo. Huwag na tayo mag-ano guys, huwag na tayo makipag-init ang ulo. Pero umiinit na ulo ko, pero kaya ko pa rin kontrolin. Tawag na lang natin ng may gagang yan. Para sa ganun sila nang bahala mag-intercept yun. Kasi delikado yung ginagawa.